Story Part 1. Hello kids! You have seen in the video on water as to how essential water is for us. If there is water, there is life. Water is very important, not only for humans but also for animals, birds and plants. Due to increasing population, increasing industrialization, expansion in agriculture, increasing urbanization, the water level is decreasing. Is the water that is available for us clean and useful? In this video, we will learn about wastewater and other aspects related to it. To know more on this subject, we take you to a village in Haryana. The objective of this video is to understand what is wastewater.
Hey Sunil, long time. Where were you all these days? You look very tired and sick.
Yes, my friend, I was sick. I had fever and vomitings.
Oh, is it?
Doctor told me that I had fever due to water pollution.
Look, sir has come to the class. Good morning, sir.
Hello children. Sunil, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I was ill. The doctor said that I had a waterborne disease.
Children, can you tell us how we get sick due to water?
Sir, when water is polluted, then we get waterborne diseases.
Correct. People get sick due to wastewater or dirty water. We will first learn what is wastewater. Can anyone tell me how the water gets dirty?
Sir, when we bathe and the water is filled with lather, it becomes dirty water.
Correct. Domestic water and the water that is generated after commercial use is called wastewater or dirty water.
The water that comes out from washing utensils, from bathing, washing of hands, washing of clothes, etc. is also dirty water.
Yes, this water contains vegetable matter, oil used in food, hair oil, detergent, floor dust, lubricated soapy water after washing the human body. This water is called grey water.
Sir, there is water that we used in the toilets too.
Right. The water released from flushing the human excreta and to wash is called black water or sewage.
Children, when it rains or the drain is filled, you see that the water flows on the road. Observe this water. Write the color, smell or any other observation of this flowing water and discuss it with your teacher.
All this water goes into the drains, isn't it, sir?
Have you seen small and big pipes at your homes?
Yes, we saw them.
Pipes that carry dirty water are called sewers. One pipe is for good water management in our houses and other pipes bring out the dirty water from the house. Every 50 to 60 meters, there are manholes where 2 or more sewers are found.
Sir, this muddy water causes water pollution when mixed with clean water. Where does this water go?
You are right. If there is no good sewerage system, dirty water contaminates clean water and also becomes a factor for many fatal diseases. Old pipes, leakage in sewage system, industrial waste and human excreta directly going into the lakes and rivers pollutes the water. Many germs thrive in this contaminated water and cause various diseases. The germs carrying typhoid, hepatitis, cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, skin diseases, etc. thrive in such contaminated water.
Oh, I feel sick due to this.
Sir, then what can we do with the wastewater?
We should not let the dirty water go waste. By removing contaminants from it, it can be made clean and reused again.
Can so much dirty water be purified?
Yes, dirty water is sanitized with the help of a water treatment plant.
But why, sir? Will we not get sick from reusing this water?
Due to the continuous scarcity of clean water, the dirty water is cleaned and reused. If we do not treat sewage generated in large quantities, this muddy water will pollute lakes, rivers and groundwater without interruption. Therefore, water must be treated.
How is this treatment done, sir?
I will tell you about it tomorrow. It is now time. Remember, water is precious and we should understand the value of safe drinking water. Therefore, we should not waste water.
Water should be used with caution. One should not be used with caution.
Rakesh is right. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Children, in this video you have learnt about wastewater and its different aspects. Many diseases are spread due to water pollution. That is why dirty water should not be mixed with clean water. In the next video, you will learn about the process of cleaning wastewater. See you. Wastewater Story Part 2. Hello children, you learnt about wastewater in the previous video. This wastewater, if found in any other water source, pollutes it. Due to this, the water will not be useful for drinking or for any other human use. It is very important to treat this water. Let us go again to Rakesh's class and learn about the treatment of wastewater. The objective of this video is to understand how wastewater is treated.
Today, sir had said that he will teach about the wastewater treatment.
Do you know, when me and Sunil were going home yesterday, we saw an open drain. Dirty water was flowing from it and it smelled very dirty.
Then we met the health center's Anganwadi Didi and told her everything.
She was happy that we were aware and informed her about the drain.
Children, what are you discussing about?
Good
morning, sir.
Good morning. All of you please sit down. Yesterday, we were talking about wastewater. Today, we will learn about the treatment of that water. Can any of you tell me what substances can be found in wastewater?
Pieces of clothes, cans, plastic packets, napkins, earthenware of clothes, papers, etc., sir?
Correct. Apart from this, there is also human excreta, oil and a lot of physical, chemical and biological matter. That is why wastewater is treated with physical, chemical and biological processes.
Sir, after all these processes, where does this water go?
After proper treatment of the contaminated water, it is recycled. It is used in plantation, irrigation, flushing, etc. as per the requirement. All this is from the grey water. Sewage mostly consists of grey water.
And what does one do with black water?
Black water is not reused in the houses due to the presence of bacteria, E. coli virus, etc. in it. Most of the human excreta and black water is used as fertilizer and as nutrients for the soil.
Is the treated water also released into rivers and seas?
The treated water is also released into rivers and seas. The treated water contains small amount of organic matter and suspended substances. They are cleared by natural process. And quite often, chlorine and ozone are added to the water. This makes the water germs-free.
Children, water also naturally becomes clean in rivers. How is this possible?
Sir, it means that we should not leave untreated water in rivers, seas, etc.
Correct. It is an offense to dispose of the untreated wastewater into rivers, seas, etc. Wastewater already contains bacteria, viruses, and other germs that thrive on oxygen dissolved in the water. This results in low oxygen levels in the water and aquatic animals of the water die. It contaminates the water and is a great loss.
Sir, can you explain the whole process of wastewater treatment to us?
Yes, this entire process is of 4 to 5 steps. In the first phase, sewage water is flown in the screen or mesh of the treatment plant, separating some of the larger sized suspended materials like fibers, stones, packets, napkins, etc. In this way, about 60% of the suspended particles are separated by the process of filtration.
That is why we should not put all these things in water.
Correct. Due to this filtering, the machines installed in the steps ahead are also saved. This water is then sent to the grit and sand removal plant. Here, sand, egg peels, bone fragments, etc. are separated.
It is such a big process.
After this, the contaminated water is kept in large tank for sedimentation. The contaminated water is left stagnant in a large tank about 5 meters deep. Heavy particles present in the contaminated water settle down, and relatively clean water at the top is taken for further treatment. The contaminated water in this tank is kept for at least 2 to 6 hours. Oil, fat, grease are extracted by the process of flotation. The primary step of treatment is over.
The water is mostly clean with this step.
Yes, after this, the water goes into an aeration tank for the second stage of treatment. In this process, aerobic bacteria are used for treatment. Organic materials are decomposed by aerobic bacteria. Bacteria eliminates the degraded substance by consuming it as food.
It means bacteria are useful for us.
Yes, this process clears water to great extent. From here, water goes to the secondary clarifier. Here, the biological waste is separated. Water is treated with chlorine and is used for irrigation, flushing, etc. The remaining water is sent to rivers and seas. The remaining biological waste or sludge is sent to the sludge thickener. Here, anaerobic bacteria converts thick sludge into gas in the absence of oxygen. This is called biogas. Very dried sludge is used as manure and nutrients to the soil.
Sir, this is such a complicated and a long process. We have to keep in mind that waste and trash is separated and disposed of carefully. Thank you for explaining this so clearly.
Thank you for the information, sir.
Children, we learned how to treat wastewater in this video. In the next video, we will learn about sanitation and cleanliness. Goodbye. See you again. Wastewater Story Part 3. Hello children, you learnt about wastewater treatment in the previous video. Wastewater has to go through 4 to 5 stages to be treated. This treatment involves physical, chemical and biological processes. We all have a responsibility to have good housekeeping practices so that we can reduce or completely remove waste materials and pollutants from the water. The purpose of this video is to learn about good housekeeping practices and cleanliness and sanitation in public places. Today the Anganwadi nurse is visiting Rakesh's house and the neighborhood to supervise the sanitation. Come, let us go with her. The objective of this video is to understand how to keep the house and its surroundings clean, to understand what is cleanliness in public places. Didi, can I come in?
Kamla, come in. What makes you come here?
Didi, I'm doing house-to-house inspection. These days it is raining heavily and waterborne diseases are spreading.
Yes, Rakesh was also saying that Sunil had been ill for a week and was suffering from cholera.
Yes, Didi, that is why I'm going from house to house in this locality to see if cleanliness and sanitation is maintained.
Hello, Didi.
Hello, come, let's inspect the house. Many a times we throw many things in the drain and wash basin which contaminates the water.
Yes, Didi. Sir said that We should not throw cooking oil and greasy things into the drain.
Yes, rightly said. We should collect oil, fatty and greasy substances in a bottle or in a vessel and discard them with the remains of solid objects. They should be thrown in the trash can.
Due to this, it is difficult to separate the oil from the water.
Kamla, we also throw tea leaves, sanitary towels, solid foods, etc. in the dustbin. We know that if the cotton or sanitary towels are thrown into the toilet, there will be an obstruction in the drainage.
You are right. When the water in the drain stops flowing, then it is difficult for oxygen to enter the sewage water. Oxygen is important for the natural process of decomposition. Everything is fine here in this house. I'll go to Lata's house now.
Hello Didi, please come inside.
I have come to inspect your house. What is this? Here the pesticide is placed near the drain. If it falls into the water, then this pesticide will kill the germs which will help in purifying the water. Remove it from here.
Yes Didi.
Paints, motor oil, pesticides, medicines, etc. should not be put in water. Come on, I'll meet and explain to all the families of the locality.
Let's go Didi.
As you all know, it is rainy season now and many people are falling ill. Waterborne diseases are spreading. You all have to keep some things in mind.
Didi, I know that we should not defecate in the open and near the sources of water. Due to this, surface water and groundwater can also get contaminated and we can fall sick.
Sunil is right. There are many precautions that we can follow to prevent water pollution and prevent water from getting contaminated. That's why you people should not defecate on the banks of river, railway tracks, fields, etc. It only spreads disease.
The government has built a lot of public toilets. We should use them.
Children, can you think and tell how the sewage is handled in a plane and a big ship? Ramu Kaka is right. At present, there are many sewage disposal systems with less water usage that do not pollute the water. They are also existing in our village.
Didi, we need to dispose of the garbage at the right place, isn't it?
Yes, Lata is right. In public places such as bus stands, railway stations, fairs and crowded places, litter should be dumped at the right place. Toilets should be kept clean so that others are not inconvenienced.
Plastic bottles, packets, etc. should be thrown in the trash can at the right place and not in the water sources.
Yes, contaminating wastewater is a legal offense. We all have a duty to keep the environment and water clean. I'm confident that all of you will take care of the cleanliness. Thank you.
Thank you, Didi.
Children, in this video you have seen how to maintain cleanliness at home and in public places. It is a responsibility of all and everyone should follow the rules of cleanliness. We all should take a step towards cleanliness. Thank you.